YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Y'all already know this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you. I'm out here at Wish Atlanta again, finna go ahead and pick up something. Some of the merch. Some of the ice cream on deck. I couldn't leave this store without recording. Maddie wouldn't have it no other way. I got to show my baby I'm still out here. That merchant got the champions on deck too. Vans USA pack. That's it. I see why Maddie like this though. I got you, man. I see why you like this store now, baby. Let me show y'all the flow, man. Atlanta, ATL, Wish. We're gonna get back to the shoe box. I'm gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna shop with these folks. I'm gonna cash out real quick. Just showing y'all the merch. The merch stupid. Merch game on deck. It's stupid. Really is. You see that box there? That box coming back to the shoe box, man. Let's get it. That guy up here, man. Slip marks. Nice little fit. A whole little Adidas fit. We hit the back on the back wall. Now I'm on merch. A lot of merch. 50% off sale on this wall. Some nice items. 39 wall. 69 wall. Hey man, shout out to Wish, man. I got a couple of pairs here exclusively too. I got them SB Lakers. We got the Yeezys here. I've been coming up here lately. I'm gonna keep shopping with them. Hat gang. I'm gonna go down in the Dunn. I'm gonna make this purchase. Then I'm gonna go downstairs after I make. Well, I think I'm gonna make this purchase. Bit up. I've been seeing colorways of these, man. The 270 Reacts. Got the 200 now. So, let's hit downstairs, see what we got. Slick Adidas, just showing y'all the whole store, the whole layout. We're gonna walk downstairs. Y'all follow me downstairs, gang. Retro Family YouTube. It's poppin'. See the peach? Y'all follow the kid downstairs, man. See what pop. Oh, we down. Books on deck. Decent. Curries. Yeah, actually I'm comfortable as hell. Excuse me, fam. 95, them guys. I ain't seen them before. Y'all see these? Leave a comment. What you rock though? I know Maddie will. Adidas on deck. Oh, layup. Dope. Saucony's. What y'all, how y'all pronounce these? Saucony's? That's how we say it in our neck of the woods. Y'all let me know. Go back. The Ray guys. Flyknits. The SBs. Eights. Referees. Man, setup is dope though. I ain't gonna even cap. The mops. Y'all know what I say. Y'all can speed it up, slow it down. Yeah. Okay. I don't want y'all to say I left without showing y'all everything in here, man. People be watching far and near. It ain't about y'all right now. Everybody else ain't got access to this stuff, so I'm gonna keep y'all linked in. Boy, with the wishing spirits, man. I hope they were gonna pull out some heat for me while I was here, but we're gonna see. Got threes.
I am not doing that.
Got threes. That's dope. 700s. I'm gonna go and get my purchase. We're going back up time.
You said a 10 or an 8?
Excuse me, sweetheart.
You're not ordering no.
The only thing is that we don't restock, so whatever you order online is whatever we're shipping from. So you look at these.
Some more Adidas.
Give me 1 second, let me take these off. You ready?
Some blazers with the zipper, with that off-white. Okay.
Just said let's go.
All right, Jordan. Oh, boy, they got these guys, LeBron and Bron. Okay. All right, man, let's make this purchase. Get back to the shoe box. Let's do this unboxing. Stick with me, gang. Retro family, retro gang. Back at the shoe box. Look, shout out to Wish once again, man. 447 Moreland Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia. You look, pull up on them folks. They let me come in there and record so I can show Maddie the heat that's coming out that she want to get for her back to school. Maddie got a VG coming on the way. She's in New York. She'll be back 25th, 26th. We got Josh and Gal coming back for that giveaway, the off-white giveaways. They're going to be back on the 30th. So by August the 1st, we got y'all gang on that giveaway. And look, me and the Shoe Butler, Munchie Bucks, and the rest of the gang, we're working out on another giveaway. But look, let's get right into this bag right now, man. Once again, Wish, I'm rocking with you. Retail, $150. No worries. I'm going to hit the wall, give you a detailed review. Fear of Gods, Nike Air. Sheesh. I got them, I'm tell you right now. I got them because it was great, a neutral color. I've been at the pop-up out there at Sneaker Atlanta when they came down here for those 90 days. I was looking at the black and the white pair. Didn't want to get them. I actually like this pair. If I knew they had extra laces, you got laces, you got the flat laces, and then you got the round laces. I'm going to hit the wall. I'm going to pull out the other one. Hey, shout out to everybody that watched the video the whole way, man. That's what me and Maddie's here for. Y'all know we trying to get our watch hours up and get everything monetized. So we're going to keep doing giveaways and, you know, keeping the content coming. You know what? Let's hit the wall now. The wall. All right, Retro family, we on the wall. Get this detailed review. Like I told you, got all the paperwork right here. $150, Nike Air Skylon, 2, Fog, Fear of God, size 12. Once again, shout out to Wish. Address 447 Moreland Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia, 30307. Tell them Retro sent you. So look, there we go. Let's get this. She got 3M on the 2 on the box with the colorway. What's coming up? Let's get into this. Light bone, clear, reflective. So it might got a little reflective. You take the picture, but Fear of God right here. You got the check. This check is like a jelly light. That's coming up on camera. That's why we hit the wall. You see it on the back of the booty. Nike Air. Trying to see probably what this gonna be reflect right here. Laces on deck. You got this lace, the lace that come with it. You got a gray, a flat lace too as well. On the bottom. I got them because this remind me of the old school Reeboks. I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. I know y'all know about the Reeboks. I also rocked them soldiers back in the day, in the, the mid 90s. So looked comfortable. Of course, it had a Nike check on it, so I went for it. I'm gonna see if it's comfortable or not. I'm gonna let y'all know. As well as I'm trying to add on to my Fear God collection. I got the spruce pair. The Fear Gods, the all green pair. Check that video out. Lace locks, stupid. Like lace locks. So look, man, we hit the wall. You know what we here for. Y'all know what y'all here for. Y'all tell a friend and tell a friend. Y'all sub up. You know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Hey, look, I'm telling y'all right now. I've been knocking out videos all day. Y'all gonna see me with the same set of clothes on. Maybe to y'all 3 days. But we knocked out 3 to 4 videos today. You gonna believe that. Another video on the way. Gang, gang. We out.
None of our people are losing. If you up with the movement, then you know we the truest. Dripping and talking and soothing. Cause greatness is what we pursuing. Yeah, retro. And Maddie kicks. They're ahead of the way. We keeping it lit. And if you got the chance, you can come take you a pic. Air Max 95s and the Air Jordan 6.